Technology has transformed the way modern workshops and factories operate, and one of the most powerful tools behind this change is the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. Unlike traditional machines, a CNC machine works by following digital instructions, allowing it to perform complex cutting, drilling, carving, and engraving tasks automatically. What makes CNC machines special is their accuracy and repeatability. Once a program is loaded, the machine can produce the same part again and again with identical measurements, saving time and reducing errors. CNC machines are commonly used in woodworking, metal cutting, aluminum fabrication, acrylic shaping, PCB manufacturing, and custom sign making. From small custom jobs to large-scale production, CNC machines handle it all with precision. The machine is built from several important components, including a control system, high-speed spindle, guide rails, drive motors, and a solid machine frame. These components work together to ensure smooth motion, stable cutting, and clean finishing. To run a CNC machine, designers use CAD software to create the design. That design is then processed using CAM software, which converts it into machine-readable G-code. This code tells the CNC machine exactly how to move, where to cut, and how fast to operate. One major advantage of CNC machines is efficiency. They reduce manual labor, lower material waste, and improve overall productivity. This results in faster project completion and professional quality output. Whether you are managing a workshop, running a manufacturing business, or working on creative DIY projects, a CNC machine can significantly upgrade your production capability. Another key benefit of CNC machines is their versatility. With the right tools and settings, a single CNC machine can handle multiple materials and complex designs with ease. For more tool reviews, machine explanations, and workshop solutions, keep following Toolsmet. Thanks for listening.